the weekly chart, we can see a strong bullish candle last week, which was around 400 pips, pushing back up to test 157 level. Just clean this off like so, and we'll drop down to say the 1 hour chart, and we can see here we have a break of structure here. Well, as price come up in towards Friday, we created a resistance zone here, pulled back, retested again, pulled back, broke through with a fake out. Price then suddenly dropped, taking out buyers underneath here, and then we struggled to make higher highs, leading into the end, volume dropping off, leading in towards the end of Friday. Then we got that last little push up and a retest down to the 8 moving average. Leading into tomorrow, which is Monday the 21st of the 3rd, I'm looking at price possibly to retrace back down to this level here, potentially to this resistance zone here, which then obviously will become support, which is around a 57 pip move down to the downside, and then look for an entry around the 50 moving average. Potential buy positions for the remainder of the week. So we'll drop into the 30-minute time frame. We can see there them smaller candles back end of last week as volume was dropping off. Go back up to the 1 hour time frame. If we can just draw some, let's go beneath current price and we'll draw some zones on the 1 hour time frame. Zone here, minor level of resistance. We'll leave this one where that is, and I'll leave that as is here. And then we can see from there what happens on Monday. Well, hopefully to find that weekly low and a push up push up to the highs. What I'll be looking for then is potential buy positions and dropping down into the lower time frames for my entries. Hopefully get a printed higher high here, look for a further printed area down here, and then we'll just draw our trend lines in, wait for that break retest, and signal candle, look for an entry with a strong bullish momentum. We'll always average around about 20 pips stop loss, 20 pips TP1, which will then be our break even point. If that position closes out, we'll move our stops to break even, and the second position then will be risk free and we'll let run. We'll review this weekly analysis as the week goes by, so I look forward to making the next video Monday. See you then.